The following segment is sponsored by Total Home Services. Before the weather gets cooler, you want to make sure that those home appliances are working properly so you don't get left out in the cold. Roger from Total Home Services is here to tell us more. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
We're doing well. Well, you can already feel the fall in the air, and I'm getting excited, but I know the cold is coming soon, so we need to be ready for that. Tell us about your company and what you guys do.
Well, Total Home Services of Utah, we're a family company, and we do heating, air conditioning, light plumbing. When I say light plumbing, it's the appliance side of the plumbing. Appliance repair and duct cleaning.
So you guys do everything, and I love that you are a family business. You were telling me before that your wife is the boss, right?
Yes, she is.
Smart man. Perfect. You're going to get a gold star today, maybe even a raise for that one, right?
Keep my job.
Yeah, keep your job. So what kind of services do you offer? Break it down for us. So if we are looking at our appliances and thinking maybe this thing is starting to act up, we need to call you guys.
Yeah, the pre-season tune-ups and the pre-season services. Don't wait till it's -10 outside and your home's -10 inside. Let's get to you now. Let's get it serviced. If we can find problems, let's fix it now before it goes out when we're really super swamp busy.
Are there any signs that we should be looking for that maybe it's about to give up the ghost?
Not really. I mean, airflow. It's all about airflow. Your ducting system. Because, you know, your equipment's only half of your system. Your duct system's the other half. So if you walk in the room and you don't feel good air, it doesn't feel comfortable, something's going wrong.
And how often should we be cleaning out those ducts?
Duct cleaning, 3 to 5 years.
3 to 5 years, that's it. And there's so much that goes into that duct cleaning. It also impacts your health, right?
Correct. I mean, you think about everything that's floating around in the air. You're breathing it. So we go in and we clean the duct system completely out. We get everything out of it. Ultraviolet lighting, which will kill the bacteria. We do an antibacterial fogging, which kills mold and the bacteria. They're all COVID related. When we can get in there and we can disinfect it for you.
That's what I was thinking. This is a big time to be taking care of our respiratory system. So we know we need clean air. We also need clean water, and you guys can help us with that too.
Clean water. We are specialized. We're a dealer in the natural soft water neutralizer. So no more salt. We have a device we can install in your home. Takes about 2 hours. No more salt. It neutralizes the minerals in the water so they flow off of you instead of sticking to you. They do what salt does. We just don't have to mess with salt anymore.
And no more slimy feeling when you get out of the shower that drives everybody crazy.
That's it. And I've tested this in my own home, so it works.
So it works. And now tell us, you guys have got some clean resources that we can add to our home. Tell us about that.
Well, clean resources. When you're talking about your furnace or your air handler, we're trying to push into the 90 plus. So we're not putting carbons back into the air. We're not putting heat back into the air. Let's keep the heat in the home, put the gases out.
Where it belongs.
Right.
Now, you've got a special offer for us right now because this is the time to call. Like you said, you don't want to be calling when the heater's already gone out. That's not going to be fun for anybody.
Well, right now we're offering with every new HVAC system, that's heating and cooling system, we're putting in a free duct cleaning and a free Remy Halo air purifier, clean air.
And I'm hearing a lot of free right there. So this is the time to call and go to the website on your screen. Thank you so much, Roger, for joining us today.
Thank you. It was a real pleasure.